Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install the references style of UESDC or any other type of reference style in Mendeley reference manager. Okay, so previously I have showed you how to add references in reference manager, and then how to add or how to cite your references in any type of reference style. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to install new reference style in order to use your particular type of style of reference, which you have some requirements according to your thesis or papers, okay, research papers. So first of all, I'll show you uh, how to install it. Okay, so I have this version of USDC uh, reference style. I need to install it. Okay, so I will show you. Open Mendeley reference manager. Okay, this is desktop version. Now go to view citation styles. Here you will see how many styles you have in the recent list. Okay, there are many um, bibliography styles which you can use easily from here, but if any of the styles are not um, available in the list, then you can easily install uh, new style. Okay, so we will click here more styles. Okay, and then okay, here you can see that here is a list of installed citation styles. Okay, so I have this file. This is the CSL file. Okay, so you will have this. Okay, then just drag and drop here. Okay, see here it is working here. Now click on it. You will see use this style. Yes, I will use this style. Okay, now yeah, you can do it multiple time if it doesn't work by once. Done. Okay, now just to check it is working properly, so go to MS Word. Go to MS Word here. Okay, let me refresh Word. Okay, here go to here. Okay, see, this is the new citation style here. So here this is the references tab. You can insert citation. Okay, if you are writing something, for example, this is a new statement in the paragraph, for example. Okay, so for example, let me insert okay, okay, sorry, I should also uh, update the Mendeley, refresh the Mendeley. Okay, so I think I don't need to open the Mendeley. Just come here, references, then Mendeley cite o metric. Then, for example, I need to cite something. So come here. Okay, I have this now. If you remember a title of the paper or thesis, whatever you have in your library, so just write something here. For example, in my case, I will see that I will write that optimal control. Okay, so here we have a keyword optimal control. So I just put clicked here and it came that way. So just okay, yeah, I have cited this. Okay, now if you want to cite multiple references, right? So what you can do is go here, go to Mendeley. Okay, now you will see the citation symbol, citation icon here. just for example, just select some references, for example this one, this one, this one, this one, and cite. Now see how many you have here. Now if you can see that this one, this citation style is not um, used in the USDC format. Now yeah, let me first put bibliography, okay, bibliography. So I will put a bibliography here. So what I can do is I will click here, insert bibliography. See how it appears directly. Now if you can see that this style is not a USDC style, okay. So what I can do is to uh, come here, see what changes we can do directly. Don't, it doesn't need any kind of manual edition, okay. So here I will select, okay, I selected the USDC format, and it suddenly appears that the style has been changed. Now see, the this style is now USDC style, okay. And whenever you write something in your literature, okay, it will automatically update it, right? This list will get automatically updated. Now for example, I want to remove some citations. See, okay, what you can do is to click refresh or F9. F9 is also used for the refresh. You can use F9 as a refresh button, okay. So for example, I need to cite something else, right? So go to here. If you have made any categories, so you can here, for example, this was my paper, so these are some good papers I had. So let me cite this one. Now see, it appears automatically. So Mendeley is very easy. It is cost effective, okay, and it's lightweight, so you can use it whenever you want, and it's very easy. So just make sure you have your references here, okay, your references here, and you can automatically manage your references directly in MS Word or whatever you want. If anyone wants to use LaTeX, and anyone wants to know about how to use these citations in LaTeX, then I can show you how to use LaTeX with Mendeley citation reference manager. Okay, so goodbye. Thank you so much.